Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Rosea here again. I'm here with a brand new video on how you can make money online. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Tafabot platform, what it is, and how you can maximize the platform to make profit. Okay, but before we get into this video, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is not a financial advice in any way. Everything I'm bringing to you in this video is what has been provided by the company, the Tafabot company, and it's in the public domain, and you can have access to all of them. Right here, we are on their website. I'm just going to take a look at a few things on the website. Then I'll go through the PDF that was supplied to the public domain for us to look at what the platform is about. All right. Okay, let's get into the video. What is Tafabot? Okay, Tafabot is a crypto trading tool that is provided for various crypto enthusiasts to make profit with it. Now, Tafabot is not a trading platform, but it is a trading tool. What that means is that you cannot trade on Tafabot because it is not an exchange, but you can use this tool to link up with your exchange through the API, and then you can trade with this tool to make money. Okay, so let's go further with this video. So with Tafabot, what do you get? You get smarter trading for arbitrage, you get smarter trading for spot, you get smarter trading for futures. Okay, so let's take a look at other parts of the website. Tafabot helps users execute smarter trades using different bot options suitable for bullish, bearish, and sideways market conditions. So what they're saying invariably is that whether the market is bad, whether the market is good, you can still make money using the various bots available on the app. Okay, so how does this work? Let's take a look. So this is where we have it. We have the bear market, we have the bull market, we have the sideways market. Okay, so for the bear market, what do you use when you have a bear market? What they're suggesting for you to use on the app is the Smart Invest bot. Now, let's read what is here. Make use of the Smart Invest bot, manage your portfolio, and buy tokens in a way that your average entry price is always the current price of the token and sell when the price rises over time. Okay, so this is what happens when you have a bear market. What it means, bear market means when the market is down, we have the bullish market. Okay, so for those of you who may be completely new to crypto, a bear market is where you see the red candles, all right, going down. A bull market is where you see the green candles going up. And the sideways market is where neither green nor blue is going up or down, it's just going sideways. You see those candles, just in between themselves like that, just going on a side, just going sideways. It's not going up and it's not coming down. So that is what this implies. So what they are telling us right here is that when there is a bear market, the best bot option to use on the platform is the Smart Invest bot. All right, so the Smart Invest bot, when you get on the app, you're going to look at the Smart Invest bot and how it works. Then we have the bull market. So what do they have to say to us for the bull market? Now for bull market, use Martingale DCA bot to never worry about your trade entry price and achieve a better average entry price for your positions. Every move will be a profitable move for you. So this is what they have to say for the bull market. I already explained what that means. Okay, when the candles are green, that's a bull market. When the candles are red, that's a bear market. All right, but in this video, we're not going to really talk about it because this is not a crypto class. But I just wanted to understand when they say the bear, the bull, and the sideways, so that when you're watching this video as a newbie, you will understand what this means. All right. Okay, so for the sideways market, what do they advise that you use if you're using their platform? Okay, execute risk-free trades with our spot futures arbitrage that creates a trade edge for you between futures and spot market so that you earn profit either ways the market goes. Okay, so this is what they have to say. So for every move in the market, whether it moves up or it moves down, you'll be able to make a little profit like that. So this is what they have to say about the market conditions that they say you can always use to make profit. So what it means is that there are multiple bots on the app. Okay, so you can make money with any of the bots per time. So if the market condition is not suitable for a particular bot, you can use the bot that the market condition is suitable for. That is what I understand from this. Okay, if you think otherwise, please leave your comment in the comment section for me so we can look at it together. All right, so let's scroll down. Let's see what's there. Okay. All right, so they are now telling us that with zero downtime, Tafabot ensures that your trading strategy keeps executing even when you're offline, because what it is cloud based. Okay, now let's look at the portfolio. Here they say you can add multiple exchanges and trade as many market pairs as you choose on the Tafabot all-in-one system. All right, that sounds great. Then let's look at signals. Connect with your favorite signal provider and execute trades automatically when they send a signal. There are a lot of opportunities on Tafabot. Okay, let's keep scrolling. All right, then let's look at the multi-bots here. What does it mean? Make use of a pre-configured bot or quickly create your own unique bot and operate multiple bots simultaneously. Then you have the mirror trading. The mirror trading here, use profitable trading strategies of experienced traders via mirror trading, or share your own strategy and get paid when others copy it. All right, that sounds very good. So if you don't know how to trade, all you need to do is just copy. All right, so we're going to look at the PDF and see what they say, what they have to say further about this overview. So we're actually here on the website to have an overview of what this Tafabot is before we get into the PDF, where I'm going to show you more details about what they're talking about here. All right, so now let's look at the referral system. With Tafabot Rewards system, you can earn from your referrals trading profits up to the 15th downlines. Wow. All right, we're going to look at that in the reward system. We're going to look at the illustrations and all that is given to us already on the PDF. Okay, so let's scroll down. What else is there? Secure, easy, and fast. What endeared me to this platform is actually what you are seeing right here. Okay, so when they say that it's secure, it's easy, and it's fast, and I got to see this, I got endeared to this platform. Why? Because a lot of platforms out there have actually deceived a lot of people. Some of us have actually promoted those platforms not knowing they are actually scams, because they present themselves in such a way that you believe they are true. They use real businesses to actually present their market, and you get to promote the platform because you think this platform is legitimate. It is not written on their platform that they're going to rug pull, and then all of a sudden they rug pull and your money is on the platform. um as at the time of making this recording, I have my funds trapped on at least 5 platforms. All right, these are platforms that we've interacted with the CEOs on Zoom calls. We've had talks and building big teams, because we believe that the platform is legitimate. I don't want to mention any platform right now, but there's so many of them, and some of them the videos are even on my channel, because I made those videos based on the compensation plan and the promises that were given, and they look so real because you could interact with real people. They are not platforms that we didn't have people to interact with, or management or something. But yet monies are trapped on those platforms, and a lot of them have rug pulled. So when I saw Tafabot and I saw this caption right here that I'm going to read right now, it endeared me to it because it made me believe the more now that I can do a more legitimate business and I can promote a more legitimate business. Okay. But I had decided to experience the platform myself before making my video. If you check on YouTube, you must have seen videos, numerous videos about Tafabot, but my video is just coming now because I really wanted to experience the platform. All right, not just starting up on the platform and throwing videos at you guys. I said, no, I don't want to do that again. I have to experience the platform and be sure before I throw videos at you. So when I saw this caption, I was happy about it and I decided to get in. Now, this is what it reads. Your funds are secure. It is very important to any online business person because this is what we want. All right, we want our funds to be secure while we do business. Tafabot only interacts with exchanges using API keys. Your funds are secure because we do not have your credentials and cannot withdraw your funds. All right, so what comes to mind is this really true? Is this true? The answer is yes, because I have interacted with the platform, I've made profit from the platform, I've been using the platform to trade for quite a while. Tafabot is barely 2 months old, and it's doing amazing things. A lot of people making profit, and actually the money is in your exchange. The money is not on Tafabot because, like I said earlier, Tafabot is not an exchange. Tafabot is just a trading tool. So now all your trading capital are not on Tafabot. You only link with your API, and Tafabot cannot access your funds whatsoever. So you don't have fears of being rug pulled. You don't have fears of withdrawal closure or withdrawal suspension. That has to do with your exchange. So if anything happens to your funds, it has to do with your exchange. It is not with Tafabot, because Tafabot is only a tool that you use to trade. And whether you are a newbie to crypto trading, Tafabot works for you. So all you need to do is just learn how the app works, how the platform works, and use it to maximize profit. Just like I always say, you can't just buy a car and then without learning how to drive or without learning how to operate that particular vehicle, you get into it and you begin to drive, you are most likely going to crash. All right. So what you need to do about Tafabot is get on board, and then this thing, is it for real? Okay, how do I bind my APIs and all that? We're here to teach you, for those of you who want to join us to do a more legitimate business. I'm presenting Tafabot to you. But like I said earlier, this is in no way a financial advice, because I will not be responsible for whatever profit or losses you make by interacting with my video. I'm only doing this for educational purposes. All right. All right. So with that being said, let's get further into the video. Let's look at the PDF and see what is there for us. I'm already getting excited about this platform. I don't know about you, but before we do that, if you're new to my channel, you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post new videos like this. All right. Welcome to the Tafabot presentation. I just want to inform you from the very beginning that this video is going to be lengthy, but I've created chapters for you so you can go right into where you want to watch. So if you check in the description or you check on the pinned comment, you will find the chapters and you can click on any one to go right to the place you want to watch. If you do not want to watch from the beginning, or there are areas that you think you just want to go straight to find out what you want to know about Tafa, please use the chapters. Use a timestamp that I've put for you in the description and in the pinned chat. So let's get into this video. So Tafabot, about us. What about Tafabot? Now, Tafabot Software LLC is a non-custodian automated portfolio management internet company with operational headquarters in the United Arab Emirates. Our primary business is in the research, development, and marketing of reliable and automated portfolio management system for seamless trading of cryptocurrencies. So this bot is strictly for cryptocurrency trading. It is not for forex trading. It is strictly for cryptocurrency. All right. Tafa is the world's pioneer bot service enabled for futures, spot, and arbitrage markets combined. Now, a lot of you may know about bots, about other robots, robotic tradings and all that. This is not the first robot. But Tafa is telling us that they are the first and the only one for now that has all these kind of trading features combined. On Tafabot, you have all in one. You have the futures trading, you have the spot trading, and you have the arbitrage trading. Now, for some other bots that you might know, and if you do not know, let me tell you, for some other bots that we know, they trade either spot or arbitrage. The arbitrage bots are very, very common. A lot of people have it, a lot of companies have it, and then you see they use them. So, but for Tafabot, you have the futures, you have spot, and you have arbitrage. So, instead of going to have various bots doing all these things for you, you come on Tafa and you have an all-encompassing platform that you can use for all-in-one trading needs. If you want to trade futures, there's a bot on Tafa. If you want to trade spot, there's a bot on Tafa. If you want to do arbitrage, there's a bot on Tafa. Now let's go on. With 30 of the world's most reputable exchanges trading via Tafa, the platform is currently the only bot system in the world with a cross-border utility for several millions of crypto users and enthusiasts. Tafa provides what is today the world's fastest, most transparent, and most diversified bot systems, with options for profitable trading results in bullish, bearish, and sideways market condition. This is what they have to say. So whether the market is bullish, whether the market is bearish, whether the market is ranging, the Tafabot system works perfectly for you. Provides all your trading needs that you can make money, whether bullish, whether bearish, whether sideways. With Tafabot, you can make money with that. Guys, I have experienced this and I can tell you that this is true. Like I said at the beginning of this video, I said I wanted to experience the platform myself before making this video for you. It is too good to be true for me, you know. I know there are other bots where you actually use APIs and you set up and you do that. But like I said, there are different bots. If it is arbitrage, it's strictly arbitrage. All right. And most of these platforms, they tell you is decentralized, but your funds are always there. Your funds are in the platform. Your funds are there. But with this, your funds are in your exchange. You only link with the API and the bot trades for you. So let's move on and see other part of this slide. I'm already getting excited about this. All right. So let's see what they have next for us. Now, these are the products on Tafabot. So these are the bots that they have. They have the spot bot, futures bot, arbitrage bot, auto signal bot, mirror copy trading bot. And then the wallet is there. You have the game, which you have to predict and win. You have the P2P on the platform as well. For those of you who are used to doing P2P, P2P simply means pair to pair. Okay, then you have the Tafa token. Now, the Tafa token is going to be launched in 2024, but let's just go further and see details of these products. Bots. Tafa provides multiple well-researched bot options for users. Each of these bots underwent 3 series of beta testing over a 2-year period and was proven by the external auditors to be uniquely profitable in the various market conditions, bullish, bearish, and ranging. Besides profitability as trading tool, Tafa was further adopted to provide excellent bot services for crypto hodlers, scalpers, and long-term or time-frame traders. Okay, so what this means is that Tafabot did not just come out to just drop this on our laps and say, take this and go and make money with it. It went through series of beta testing, different stages of beta testing. So for the period of 2 years, this company decided to do beta testing and they did it 3 times. Each of the bots on this platform underwent 3 series of beta testing over a period of 2 years before the global launch. So some of you may ask about the efficiency of this bot. We can just see it clearly from this write-up. Each of these bots underwent 3 series of beta testing over a 2-year period and was proven by external auditors, not internal, external auditors, to be uniquely profitable in various market conditions, whether it's bullish, whether it's bearish, whether the market is ranging. So they went and did this research properly before the global launch, which is why we are enjoying the platform the way we are right now. Okay, so now let's move further. For spot bots, this is what you have. You have spot martingale bot, best for scalping. You have the spot DCA, also good for scalping. You have the smart invest, is best for hodlers. Then you have the spot grid bot, best for ranging spot market. So now all these have proven an average of a 30-day P&L ratio of 7.3%, depending on user configuration or selected currency pair. So what this means is that on Tafabot, you do not talk about return on investment in terms of what do I get daily when I trade. A lot of people ask, and that's the first question people ask me, if I invest $100 or I invest $200. Guys, this is not just, and this is not your regular investment platform that you're used to investing and they tell you that you get 2% every day or you get 10% every day, there's something we call P&L, which is the profit and loss ratio. On Tafabot, what they are saying is that all these bots have proven an average of a 30-day P&L ratio of 7.3%. And this depends on user configuration or the selected currency pair. Remember that all these bots went through 3 different series of beta testing over a period of 2 years. So if they tell you that you can get a P&L of about 7.3%, you should know that that is true because they've done beta testing and it has been proven. So that is what they are telling you. So do not come on Tafa expecting to get a certain fixed percentage every day from your trade. That is Ponzi scheme. That is strictly Ponzi scheme. All right. There is no real trading that gives you a fixed percentage because we do not have control of the market conditions and we do not have control about the currencies that you are trading. Currencies vary because they have various volumes. Okay, we're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about Tafa. So let's go ahead with Tafa before I begin to tell you more about the crypto and all that. So that is not what we're here about. Now with the futures bot, what do? You have futures martingale bot, best for scalping a futures market. Risk level is medium. That sounds nice. It's not high, it is medium. Okay, then you have the futures DCA bot. This bot is good for scalping a future market. Risk level is low. Then you have futures grid bot, best for pro traders to configure a bot using their self-determined trading strategy and leveraging on trading view provided free by Tafa Intelligence. Now when you join, you're going to learn this third part. How you're going to learn that through the Tafa Academy. So there's a Tafa Academy. There's a whole lot to Tafa. So you don't just jump on Tafa and then you begin to trade and make mistakes. No, you are going to be properly guided. There are trainings you need to attend to understand how to do certain things on Tafa that you can maximize more profit. So this particular part here is very, very important. This futures grid bot. By the time you join, if you join my team, which I would love you to do, if you make up your mind to do this, you are going to be guided properly on how you can maximize this particular futures grid bot. Though with inherent risk, all proven to have on average a 30-day P&L ratio of 9.8% depending on user configuration or selected currency pair. So this is about the spot bot and the futures bot. Now we have the arbitrage bot. What do we do with this arbitrage bot? The only bot of its kind in the entire blockchain ecosystem. The arbitrage bot is the most unique invention of the Tafa system. It is a zero risk, zero loss, low profit bot recommended for extremely high volume traders and investors with a 30-day PR, that is profit ratio of 1.25% to 4.16%, depending on the selected currency pair. So this arbitrage bot is really for the big guys. If you do not have big capital, please do not even consider using this bot. You can see that it is recommended for extremely high volume traders and investors. Just go and use other bots on the Tafa platform and you will still make good money. Now we have the auto signal bot. The auto signal bot, what does it do? Now this bot allows signal providers to automate both their services and their subscriptions. For those of you who do technical analysis and you sell your signals, you have a community and then you give signals and they trade. This is best for you. When you come on Tafa and you get through the process, you're verified to do this, you can actually get on board and become an auto signal provider on the Tafabot. Now, if you are a user, instead of subscribing to signals monthly or bi-monthly or, like you do normally, and most of the time you forget or you do not even meet the time of the trade, you usually miss out and you have paid money for the signals, but you are not able to use it to trade. You always miss it. Maybe you are in traffic on your way to work when the signal provider drops the signal in your group. You usually miss it. This is best for you. With this, by the time you subscribe to this particular bot, you don't have to miss any trade whatsoever. Once the signal provider drops a particular signal, the bot automatically trades it for you. You don't have to bother yourself. Okay, so the bots get it triggered. Okay, we can look at it here. Once signals are sent, all their subscribed users have their bots triggered into the trade, regardless of them being available or not. all their devices being switched on or off. Isn't this amazing, guys? If you are a Signal subscriber, please, this is best for you. So you stop losing trades or you stop missing trades when a signal is dropped and then you're not there. You come on the platform and you say, oh, I missed this. With Auto Signal Bot, you will not miss any signal again. So let's get to the mirror copy trading bots. Top performing traders in the Tafa ecosystem with 70% success rate over a documented period of time are promoted to ranks that allow them to create mirrors. These mirrors are bots that other users can simply copy and automatically get into the same trades each time these top performing traders get into any trade. It does not matter if they are available or not, or if their devices are switched on or off. So when you get to the Tafa platform, as a newbie, you do not have to know anything about cryptocurrency trading. If you have never traded crypto before, you can use this mirror copy trading bot. It is very easy. I'm a crypto trader, but when I started on the Tafa platform, I decided to copy the mirror trading bot so I can also experience it and see how it works. Like I said, I decided to experience Tafa for myself before talking to you about it. That is why I'm here right now. So if you are a newbie to crypto, you've not traded crypto before, you love to trade crypto and make money, all you simply need to do is sign up and copy this mirror copy trading bot. With that, you can go to sleep and you can keep making money with Tafabot. Now we have the Tafa wallet. Okay, so the Tafabot allows you to send out and receive tokens, and currently USDT is the only supported currency on Tafa wallet. Users pay 0 transaction fees when they send or receive payments to and from fellow Tafa wallets. So when you're sending from one Tafa wallet to the other Tafa wallet, you do not pay any fee. But when you're transferring from there to your exchange, of course, the usual transfer charge is received. The Predict and Win game reward users for predicting on BTC price. There are two versions of the game. So the first one is pool sharing game. Here users can make multiple entries. All winners share the pool contributions of all losers. Then winner takes it all. This is the second phase. Here only 3 winners emerge and they share the entire pool contribution of all losers. This product has not been launched. It's going to be launched on the 1st of January. Okay, so look out for it. For those of you who know how to predict and win, this will be another opportunity for you to make money with Tafa. Look out for it for January 2023. Now we have the P2P, peer-to-peer. This peer-to-peer service allows users to sell their Tafa Rewards USDT or tokens deposited into their Tafa wallet directly for local fiat currencies. Okay, so it's just the same way like other platforms. So you have P2P. So when you need USDT, instead of going to Binance to buy, so if you're already a Tafa user, you can buy from the P2P market on Tafa. So the monies you make, your rewards, you make referral bonuses and all that. We're going to talk about that. By the time you make all that, you have the money in your Tafa wallet. That is not your trading capital. That is the reward you make from the Tafa platform. So it goes to your Tafa wallet and then you can actually sell it on the P2P market. Now we have the Tafa token right here. Now the Tafa token will be launched in the second half of 2024 and listed on all major exchanges supported by the Tafa trading system. Until then, any tokens seen in the market bearing Tafa are impersonators and potential scam schemes. Now, Tafa is going to launch their own token in the second half of 2024. If you become a Tafa user, you can prepare to make good money with the Tafa token in 2024. Okay, so more updates about that will come as time goes by. Let's go further. So these are the super top selling products of Tafabot. Now these are the products here. You have the 3 of them here. You have the spot martingale bot, you have the arbitrage bot, and then the smart invest bot. So these 3 bots are the super top selling products. Okay, we have talked about them before, and let's just quickly take a look at this. Now you can see that the spot martingale bot has a predictable 30-day P&L ratio of 14.56%. Users with better bot configuration and currency pair have had a 30-day P&L of 43.71%. So that tells you what can happen when you use this bot. if you have a better configuration and of course good currency pairs, like I see in the group, some people come massively with profits and people ask, oh, what coin are you trading? What coin are you trading? You know, they want to know because the rewards are usually massive. In fact, some people think it's too good to be true and they still wonder, what is this Tafa magic? Where is it coming from? So I tell you guys that this is very correct. Okay, when you have a good configuration and then you have good currency pair, you will have a good P&L. Then we have the arbitrage bot. This can be described as an investor's bot. It is a zero risk and zero loss, no profit. Okay, we've talked about this already. So, but now look at it. You get 1.2% to 4.16%, okay? Interpreted as 15 to 50% annually. No bank pays you this, guys. No bank. If you put your money in the bank, you won't get this. Why not get trading? All right, so you make your money. Then we have the smart invest bot. If you're in the clique of individuals who love to buy and hold for a long term, the SI bot allows you to take the maximum advantage of any bearish season to give the maximum possible result on a bullish reversal. All right, guys, this is quite interesting. Crypto enthusiasts, I don't think you've seen anything like this. Personally, I haven't seen anything like this. Like we call it, Tafabot is the Binance of bots. Just like you know, Binance is the biggest crypto exchange. Okay, so Tafa is headed for that. The biggest bot platform, okay, is the bot of all bots. All right, guys, so let's go further. Tafa licenses. Let's look at Tafa licenses. So Tafa license, this refers to annual official permit given to a user to trade on Tafa platform. Simply put, it's a subscription fee to use the bot on annual basis. There are 3 bot licenses. You do not buy the bot, you only pay for the permit to subscribe so you can use the bot to make money. Now let's take a look at the licenses. Now these are the 3 licenses that you get on Tafa. You have the starter, you have the advanced, and then you have the pro. The bot speed of the starter package is 1 minute. I wanted to stop a trade and then, increase my capital on my exchange. So I had to do that, stop the trade manually on my exchange. And by the time I stopped it and I was trying to get to the Tafa platform to stop the bot had picked another trade immediately. The bot picked another trade immediately. I was like, oh, wow, this is quite fast. I mean, I'm talking about 1 minute, and within that space of time, it picked another trade. I had to wait for that trade to get into profit before I could close it manually. You get to learn all that when you get on the platform, all right? So it's quite fast. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm using the starter pack, and it's making me good money. You can have maximum of 5 active trades on this. That means you can trade 5 different coins using this starter pack. Each of the trade will have their respective capital because you have the different strategy to copy, and the minimum you can copy is $100 strategy. So if you want to run 5 trades, you need to have money for each of these trades and copy each strategy accordingly. Now you will get more updates on this when you join the team. It may be a bit technical for some people to understand right now, but what you should bear in mind right here is that the bot speed for the starter pack is 1 minute, and then you can do maximum of 5 trades here, and you can connect it to 3 exchanges. Okay, so you can connect to Bybit, you can connect to Binance, you can connect to Huobi. Yeah, you can do that. All right, then you have the advanced. On the advanced, the bot speed is 20 seconds, guys. The bot speed here is 20 seconds. So every 20 seconds you are in the market and you're making money. Your maximum active trades here is 25. And then you can connect up to 10 exchanges. Oh my God, this is awesome. You want to think how that works? When you get on board, you will learn more about it. Then we have the Pro Pack right here. The Pro Pack, 5 seconds. Oh wow. If I talked about 1 minute being fast for me, just imagine the speed. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. That's the bot speed for the Pro package. Then for this, you have the max trade is unlimited. The exchanges you can connect is unlimited. Now, what do they cost? The starter pack costs $100 per annum. Then you have $500 per annum for the advanced pack. And then you have $1,000 per annum for the Pro package. Tafa Rewards. This is the most amazing part of this business for me, apart from making trading profits. Tafa Rewards system is awesome. I haven't seen anything like it. So let me take you through the Tafa Rewards system. Before we go into that, we need to look at some definition of terms because you're going to be seeing the abbreviations and you need to understand what they stand for. Now you look at the generational volume, which is called the GV. This refers to the total bot licenses purchased by your direct and indirect referrals in your entire sponsor tree. For the people that use your referral link to register and the people that use their own referral link to register, they are called your entire sponsor tree. Now we look at the commissionable volume, which is the CV. This refers to the percentage of Tafa fuel that the company distributes to affiliates. It is fixed at 50%. What this means is that Tafa takes 10% of your trading profit. So they needed to make profit so they can make money, right? So out of the 10% that Tafa takes from you, Tafa splits that 10% into two. 50% of that 10% goes to Tafa. The other 50% is distributed for affiliate rewards. That is what it means. Now, affiliates. This refers to individuals who have built referral structures within the Tafa system and earn commissions from these structures in addition to trading earnings. That is why I said I love this part of it, because you make money from trading commissions. When your downlines or your team trade and they make profit, you also get money. So Tafa does not take the entire 10% to themselves. They share it with you and your team so that you can benefit for bringing people on board. All right, we'll still talk more about referral benefits. I'm not going to spill the beans right here. You keep watching this video. I will tell you how you can make money. There are 7 ways you can make money on Tafa. I will take you right there. So stick with me to the end of this video. Keep watching, keep learning about the Tafa platform. So guys, let's keep going. Okay, so we are still looking at the definition of terms. So right here, we're looking at the Tafa fuel, we're looking at upgrade fees, and then we're looking at total Tafa fuel volume. Now, what does this mean? The Tafa fuel refers to a fixed trading fee of 10%. I mentioned it slightly. Okay, so this refers to a fixed trading fee of 10% charged on every profit Tafa makes for a user. Okay, so what this means is that when you make a profit, Tafa takes 10%. So when you make a profit of say $10, Tafa takes $1. When you make a profit of $100, Tafa takes $10. Then we have the upgrade fee. What does this mean? This is the fee paid when a user decides to migrate from a lower bot license to a higher bot license. The fee is the difference in the cost between the lower and the higher licenses. What this simply means is that when you start with a $100 package, which is the starter pack, and you want to move to the advanced, which is the $500 pack, all you need to do is you pay the difference. This is amazing, guys, that you do not forfeit the first license that you bought. You simply upgrade it. So if you paid $100 before, you're going to pay the difference, which is $400. And if you want to upgrade from a $100 pack to the pro pack of $1,000, what you need to do is pay $900 to upgrade. And let me tell you something that might interest you as well. When you upgrade, your license starts reading from the upgrade date for another 1 year. It does not count from the old activated date. Let's say you activated $100 on the 2nd of November 2022 and you decided to upgrade on the 10th of November or even on the 10th of December 2022. Your license duration starts from 10th of December. That is how amazing this is. Okay, so let's move to the total Tafa fuel volume. This refers to all the Tafa fuel paid by your entire direct and indirect referrals for 15 generations. So guys, that's it about this definition of terms right here. So this is the butter on top of your bread. 7 ways to earn from Tafa. This is very, very sweet. There are 7 unique ways to earn from Tafa through the Tafa Rewards system. Let's take a look at the Tafa Rewards system. The first you have is the direct referral bonus. The next you have is the indirect referral bonus. You have the upgrade bonus, renewal bonus, generational commission, leadership bonus, and profit sharing. These are 7 ways that you can earn from the Tafa platform apart from your trading profits. So let's take a look at this one after the other. So this is the direct referral bonus. This is the bonus an affiliate earns whenever he refers someone who purchases a bot license from the company. The direct referral bonus is fixed at 20% of the amount paid for the license. For instance, the direct referral bonus for referring a user who purchases a starter pack of $100 is $20. I've enjoyed that, and I'm hoping that I'm going to enjoy more of it because I know there are some of you who would want to join me, and I'm going to teach you how you can also get people on board that you can earn this commission, right? It's quite sweet when you earn monies like this. So there's another beautiful part about Tafa. I say Tafa is all encompassing. I haven't seen this. I really haven't seen this. Let's look at the last point right here. When you sponsor affiliates who sign up with bot licenses higher than yours, the excess referral bonus will be stored in the holding tank and should be redeemed within 30 days. What does this mean? You start with a $100 pack, which is the starter pack, and then you got someone who prefers to do higher because seeing that the bot speed are different, the person prefers to take the advanced or to take the pro package. Now that the cost of that license is higher than your license. So for somebody who buys the advanced pack, you are supposed to get $100 because it is 20%. So $100 is 20% of $500. So, but because you have a lower license, you will not get that money, right? You will only get a percentage of that license that is commensurate to the license that you have. Then the balance of that fund will be put in a place called holding tank. We're going to look at the holding tank as we go further. So it is kept there for you for 30 days for you to redeem it. How do you redeem it? You now have to upgrade to that pack so you can access that particular fund in your holding tank. So let's go further. Now look at the direct referral diagram right here, direct referral bonus. So this is you here, you come in and then you refer these people right here. So they are your first generation. They are your first gen and you get direct referral bonus from your first generation. So the direct referral bonus you get from your first generation is fixed at 20%. So that is what you get from your direct referral bonus. Now let's look at the indirect referral bonus. This refers to the bonus earned when affiliates are sponsored in your second and third generations. So let's look at it. Now this is the diagram that represents this. This is you right here. You get in and then you refer your first generation. The ones that are directly below here, they are your first generation. So from your first generation, you earn 20%. Now, Tafa says they want to reward you further. So what do they do? Once your first generation are able to register people, it becomes first generation to them and it becomes second generation to you. So for your second generation, Tafa pays you 5% and that goes also to your third generation. So from your third generation as well, you are paid 5% commission. Okay, guys, so it doesn't just end with the people you bring in. Tafa says because you brought this person, they're able to bring somebody else, and for that they pay you up to your third generation. So for first generation you get 20%, for your second and your third generation you get 5% each. All right, so that's it about the indirect referral bonus. Okay, so this further explains the indirect referral bonus, but I have already explained it to you. Okay, so this is just what it means. You're using $100 license. David signs up Angel and Victor directly and he earns 20%, like I've said, by your first generation. But you should understand that. So let's not dwell on this. Now we're looking at the upgrade bonus. This is another way that you can earn from the Tafa platform, the upgrade bonus. When an affiliate who is using a lower bot license decides to upgrade to a higher license, he pays an upgrade fee. The upgrade bonus is 20% of this upgrade fee paid to an affiliate whenever any of his direct referrals upgrade to a higher bot license. What this simply means is that you earn from your downlines whenever they upgrade from a lower package to a higher package. For instance, they started with $100 package and they want to upgrade to $500 package. Now they pay the difference of $400. Once that money is paid, Tafa pays you 20% again. Remember, when your direct referrals bought the first license of $100, you were paid $20. Now, because they are paying the difference for the new license they're upgrading to, you're also going to be paid an upgrade fee of that difference. So if they're upgrading with $400, you're going to be paid the upgrade bonus for $400 because they're paying the difference for the new license they're getting. If the upgrade fee for the new license is $400, then you get 20% of $400. And if they're upgrading to $1,000 and the upgrade fee is $900, you get paid 20% of $900. That is amazing. Okay, so this is still talking about the upgrade bonus. In the event that the referral affiliate is on a lower bot license, he receives only 20% of his license level, and the excess commission payable goes into the holding tank for a period of 30 days, during which it can be redeemed by upgrading. So if you are on a lower bot license, all you need to do is upgrade. Okay, but before that, you are paid 20%. Let's say you have a downline who upgrades from $100 to $500 advance package. Now, that difference that's supposed to be paid to you, the 20% of the $400 that's supposed to be paid to you will not be paid to you. Only 20% of your package, which is a $100 package, will be paid to you immediately. Now, the excess commission, the remaining balance, will be kept in the holding tank for you. It is still your money, but you cannot access that money until you upgrade to the same package that your downline has upgraded to. That is only when you can benefit the difference or the remaining part of the commission that you earned from that upgrade. I hope this is clear. Now, this is the holding tank. If an affiliate signs up another affiliate with a bot license higher than his, he will instantly earn the referral commission equivalent for his package, while the excess commission payable is temporarily kept in the holding tank for a period of 30 days, within which the affiliate is expected to upgrade and claim the excess commission. Now, I want to add something here. This does not only apply to members who have affiliates, who have referrals or downlines that bought higher packages. If you sign up and you have not gotten funds to buy a license, and you can refer some people who have money to buy this license, you're going to also earn money, and it's going to be in your holding tank. Let's say you sign up and then you told somebody about this. Oh, I just signed up with Tafabot, and you tell them how interesting and how profitable the platform is. And then they got interested and say, oh, I want to join you to do this. How do I get started? You introduce them, you pick your referral link from your dashboard, and then you give to them to register, and they have money to activate immediately. That is to subscribe to a license immediately. You are going to get that 20% in your holding tank. Because you have not subscribed to any license, you won't be able to access the fund. Even when you sign up 20 people or 50 people or whatever number of persons, you have 30-day period from the date that they subscribed for a particular license for you to claim it. So you're going to have all that money waiting for you in your holding tank until you subscribe to a particular license. So that is what the holding tank is about. So it's not just about affiliate upgrading or just buying. Even if you haven't bought a license yourself, or if you haven't subscribed to a license yourself and you have people you have referred that have money immediately to subscribe, your commission will be kept for you in the holding tank. So that's it about the holding tank. The renewal bonus. This is amazing. I love this one. That means you keep earning with Tafabot. All right. So what this means is an affiliate earns 20% direct bonus and 5% indirect bonus of his second and third generations whenever they renew the annual license. Like I said, Tafa does not sell the bot to you. Tafa permits you to use the license by you paying an annual subscription fee. So the subscription fee is what we have in the starter pack, the advanced pack, and the pro pack. So once the license expires, the user is expected to renew the license, renew the subscription with the amount that they bought the subscription before. And when that is done, Tafa pays you again. You didn't go to bring them afresh, but because they chose to stay in the business to continue making money with the Tafa platform, Tafa says, because you brought this person, we will still share this commission with you. So they give you 20% again of the renewal bonus. So say you have about 100, about 200, about 1,000 people. Just imagine everybody's license is not going to expire at the same time. So you got yourself some salary, Imagine you have like 10, 15, 20 persons expiring same month. It's just going to be money rain for you. Really, really money rain for you. You're going to enjoy that. So you just imagine yourself from 2023, sometime in 2023 when Tafa gets to about a year and people start renewing. From that time onward, you keep earning every month. You're sure because one day of the month somehow somebody's license is going to expire, and because they've made a lot of money on Tafa, they can easily renew their license. And when the license is renewed, guess what? You get more money. So you just keep earning. Apart from your trading profit, you get this renewal bonus and other bonuses. Let's keep going, guys. Let's look at other rewards that you get on Tafa. So now we are here on the generational commission. You remember we looked at this. This is the GV. All right. This is the GV. So this commission is distributed across the system whenever an affiliate pays Tafa Fuel for profit made using Tafabot. The upline of the affiliate earns a percentage of the Tafa Fuel. This reward system continues indirectly for a total of 15 generations deep. We're going to take a look at the illustration so we can understand better. 15 generations deep. This is awesome because these people keep earning, you keep making money. This is fantastic. I love this. This generational commission follows the most rewarding unilevel marketing system in the world today. Now, there's a caveat right here that is important for us to take a look at. This is very, very critical for us to understand. So let's look at it together. It is important to note that the Tafa intelligence surveillance requires that only accounts that fulfill account-specific minimum trading requirements are allowed to claim the generational volume. There's a trading requirement that will help you to earn all this. So this is what it means. So look at it. Non-trading accounts or trading accounts that have not fulfilled their trading requirements are temporarily disabled from claiming generational commissions until the conditions are fulfilled. The goal of this caveat is to encourage every user to be a trader on the Tafa ecosystem. Continuous non-compliance from users will auto-activate stricter sanctions, including forfeiture of future generational commissions. Tafa expects you to trade. For those of you who will just buy a license because you just want to look at the platform, you're not trading, you're just there looking, you will not qualify for this. Tafa expects you to trade. So don't just buy a license and then you're looking at it. Oh, I forgot to click the bot to trade. I forgot to copy. No, with Tafa, you don't have to keep going back and forth. Once you copy, you leave the bot. It keeps trading for you and keep amassing profit for you. So I don't know why you should buy a license and you should not trade. So I believe this caveat is stated here because it must have been experienced and they do not want that on their platform. So when you sign up, please start trading because you'll be losing money. You will not be making trading profits and then you will not get the generational commission. Okay, so let's look at the generational commission. So this is what it looks like. This is what the distribution looks like. Remember that I told you that Tafa takes 10% of your profit and that is shared, is distributed down your generation. Okay, from your first generation to your 15th generation, this is what you get. First generation 10%, from your second generation 8%. Now this comes to you in various cents. You can see it here. It's quite small. From your first generation, from your first generation 10%, okay, $1. And then your second generation, your third, you get 0.8 cents, you get 0.6 cents, you get 0.5 cents. But I tell you guys, this is how much money when you have a large team, when you have people that are trading and this keeps coming. These cents are what makes up $1, $2, $3, $100, $1,000. So this is where you're going to keep making huge money. You wake up and then you see $1,000 trading commission because you've been able to build a team. Tafa is for real for somebody like me. I don't know about you. Okay, so let's proceed. And then this is how it continues right here. Okay, so if you look at it, this is a bit of an arithmetic if you will not get yourself confused. Let's go back. Now you can see here, these are the keys to use to read it, to interpret it. You have the CV, 50% of Tafa fuel of $20 is $10. Then you have the generational commission here. You have the cumulative generational commission. So let's go further. You can see your generations here, affiliate, distribution, and all that. So by the time you look at it here, this is what it says. This is what it implies. All right. So if you're able to get all this, you get up to your 15th generation, what you can make from here, you can see this figure. This is $14.3 million. $14.3 million. So if this is what you get, the distribution, this is what you stand to gain, $14.3 million. Guys, this is massive. This is massive. If you're able to get up to your 15th generation and this distribution exactly is what you get, as stated already, this is what you are bound to make. Guys, this is a possibility. I want to earn something like this. It is not a mirage. It is something you can earn if you work it out, if you build a team and you want to enjoy money from Tafa apart from your trading profit, you can get to this point. But get started from making $3, get started from making $16. I told you all the cents put together will give you the $1, the $2, the $100 and all that. So you can see how you can put them cumulatively and you can begin to earn until you get to the 15th generational volume. So this is how amazing it is to earn from Tafa. Now we are still earning. You can see this is the leadership rewards. This is where leaders who have distinguished themselves are recognized and rewarded for their hard work and success in effective team building. It is a one-time reward based on generational volume and total Tafa fuel volume. Awardees are rewarded with state-of-the-art gifted and exotic holiday in choice locations around the world. These rewards are presented monthly or during company events in locations around the world. So Tafa does not just give you money, but they expose you as well. They take you around the world. You can visit places based on your choice location when you qualify for this, and it is strictly for leadership. If you want to be one of these, then you have to get building like I'm doing already. Now let's take a look at the leadership ranks. So we look at the ranks, the value and all that. So remember that we said this is generational volume and this is the total Tafa fuel volume. Okay, so now for you to become a sapphire, you need to have accumulated $15,000 generational volume. You need to have accumulated 300,000 total Tafa fuel volume. So when you are able to accumulate all this, you get 10,000 in reward, $10,000 in reward. Okay, and the value is given to you in cash. All right, then the next here is emerald, and for you to become an emerald, you should have accumulated 22,500 generational volume and then 800,000 total Tafa fuel volume, and your reward here is $25,000. The value is international trip, 30,000 GV and 2 million TTFV, total Tafa fuel volume of 2 million. So for you to become a diamond, you should have accumulated 30,000 GV and 2 million TTFV value, and then the value of your reward here is $60,000 and first car award. Blue diamond here is 45,000, 5 million, and then you are rewarded with $150,000 second car award. Then you have the green diamond, which is 60,000 GV and 10 million TTFV. Your reward here is $250,000 cash award. Then the purple diamond here is 100,000 GV, 20 million TTFV, and here you get $500,000 business fund. All right, so this is the leadership ranking and what you earn. This is a possibility, guys. So they will not put this here if they know that it is not achievable. Now, let's look at the profit sharing. The company earmarks 3% of her monthly profit to share among top leaders who have distinguished themselves over time in their quality of leadership and team building. Leaders who have achieved the rank of green diamond and above qualify to enjoy this share of company's global profit monthly. It is distributed thus. Okay, green diamond is 60% of this 3% and purple diamond is 40% of this 3%. So that is how it works. That's the disbursement. That is how it is done. It is shared among top leaders, and it is those that have ranked green diamond and above that qualify to benefit from this monthly global profit. So guys, that is it about the Tafa platform. I hope you got value for your time watching this video. For those of you who watched to the end, I want to say a very big thank you. Thank you for your continuous support on my channel. And for all returning subscribers, I want to thank you so much for your continuous support on this channel. Thank you, all of you. Thank you, 1,000 subscribers on my channel. I'm so glad, I'm so happy that you are joining me to build this channel. But there are so many of you who watch my video and don't subscribe to my channel. Please, when you subscribe to my channel and you leave a like on the video, you leave a comment in the comment section. The YouTube algorithm helps to suggest this video to other people that this video could help. So doing that for me and for this channel is really, really going to be appreciated. So thank you in advance for those of you who watch my videos and you don't subscribe. Thank you, because I know you're going to hit the subscribe button right now and you're going to support my channel. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in another video. Cheers.